Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my reaction. How are you guys doing today? So guys, I've been reacting to the RBD soundtrack, Walmart soundtrack from since 2007. Recently or previously, I reacted to the Walmart soundtrack 2006. So I'm finally getting into it. So I'll be reacting to it today. That's it. Yes. Come on. Come on, stage presence. Yes. No, no. Oh, oh, oh. They are giving it to me, okay? Oh. Oh, okay. So, Baby Daddy Alfonso and Annie, they're smiling at each other. Because remember in 2006, Homegirl was not feeling it. I'm here for this. I'm here for this energy. Ooh. Spicy. Yes, yes. Ooh. Okay, move your hips, sir. And this is so much better than 2016 one. So much better. Come on, Chris. Oh, he looks so good with a brush cut. Come on. Yeah. I see they're being very sexual, but not too close, you know, for the kids who are watching. It's dance, Oh, Alfonso's dancing hard as hell. Come on, Chris. Oh, he looks so good. I can't. So, oh, yeah. Okay, that was the first song. That was very good. It was so good. Oh my god. Oh, in 2007, I was a sophomore in high school. Yes, in 2007, I was a freshman going to sophomore in high school. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay. I live for this live band. I live for the live band. Or maybe in 2006 that had to do based on the probably like a season in 2006. Maybe in that season her character and him wasn't mad, and you know sometimes since this group is based off the TV show, maybe just go based off the season they're feeling. You know, maybe I don't know. I'm still trying to find me a DVD for Rebelde, and apparently I can't find any. I love her black hair. I'm laughing because I'm looking at Alfonso pants and and how they're dressing. I was like, oh my god, that is so 2005, 2006, 2007, because that's how we were dressing back then. Especially the skater boys. Oh my god. Oh, Hot Topic and Spencer. I don't know my instruments well, but I like whoever's on playing those two guitarists. Yes, little girl. Oh. Oh, Chap, is that dance section? That's a workout. Good, it's good. I'm definitely loving the energy from this one versus 2006. Definitely. Yes, baby daddy. Oh, so Chris know the dude. See? College. Oh, we're being a DJ and a mixer on the damn stage. I think this is a Money Money song, if I remember correctly. I think.
Sientes como mi corazón se congela y se pone fríamente calculado cuando tú quieres hacerme llorar. Y ya no quieres hacerme llorar. Y ya no voy a llorar. Anyway. Esta noche tomaré tu corazón.
Hey.
Sacarlo de la oscura prisión. Luego de bailar contigo yo te haré sentir tanto amor que olvidarás la pena y yo te diré al oído.
I'm trying to remember. He's in pink. It's very colorful. I wonder, is this after he came out? Christian. Alfonso and his dancing cracks me up all the time. Come on, Chris. Don't try to die.
Anyway.
Como la música vuela, llevándose mis sentimientos en un viaje y tú sientes como mi corazón se congela y se pone fríamente calculado cuando tú.
Yes, Chris with the energy. I don't know what's going on with my internet. I spend too much money to have unlimited internet to be slowing down like this. I always live for Chris energy. Always. Okay. I can't. What did he do? What did he do? Hold on. What did he do? What did he do? I can't. Go ahead, Chris. I be loving their freestyles. Okay, this sound like one of them TV show songs. Okay, give me Disney vibes. I know Chris be losing hella weight doing these performances. Oh, he be dancing. I know he burning Cardi like a mother.
No me importa lo que piensen los demás. Tú eres toda mi verdad.
No me importa quién estuvo antes de mí. Yo te quiero hacer feliz. Hoy estás aquí. Ganas te dejaré partir para poder vivir.
Yes.
Bésame sin miedo, con el corazón, dame un beso que me lleve hasta el sol. Bésame sin
Yeah, that.
sin explicación.
Oh, he looks so good in the back in all white.
Bésame sin miedo, como si fuera el último. Solo un beso y nada más. Se irá la soledad. Ay, solo un beso, por favor. Desde tu interior. Bésame sin miedo, con el corazón. Un beso que me lleve.
I be loving their chemistry together when they're on stage.
Bésame
Yeah,
sin
yeah, I love the chem.
sin miedo, con el corazón. Beso que me lleve hasta el sol. Bésame sin miedo, sin explicación. Dame un beso que me lleve de tu amor. Ay, bésame sin miedo, como si fuera el último.
Ustedes.
Whoa, whoa,
¿Se escucha?
whoa, whoa, whoa,
¿Cómo?
whoa, 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 whoa.
This is a high school kid called Justin. He made $700,000 in just a few months selling magnetic eyelashes.
That's good for Justin. So proud of him. Come on, hairography. So they here with late this day.
En tus manos hay palabras que acarician hasta el alma y en tus ojos sombros que me llenan de luz, casi como un karma.
En tus labios hay indicios de que existe el paraíso y en tu piel hay un mar que quiero navegar.
Ah, you have to sing the song, not scream.
Y mi religión es buscar vivir en tu corazón. Mi filosofía y mi religión.
Es la teoría de lograr tu amor. Dame una oportunidad, dame solo una señal, dame un poco de fe, dame tu primer beso, dame todo lo que tengas, dame una oportunidad, dame solo una señal, dame tu soledad, dame tu libertad, dame todo lo que tengas. Dame un poco más de ti para darte más de mí. Dame un poco más de ti. Dame un minuto para qué.
Okay.
En tu abrazo encuentro el rumbo para desafiar al mundo y tu voz me hace bien cuando alguien es red. Todo es más
It's a
seguro.
cute song, but I'm not really feeling it too much. It's a cute song, but I'm not feeling it too much.
Paraíso y en tu piel hay un mar que quiero navegar.
Hey, you know, obviously it's coming to an end, so that's to take us home, but
Filosofía
I'm not really feeling this song too much.
es buscar vivir en tu corazón. Mi filosofía y mi religión.
Es la teoría de lograr su amor. Dame una oportunidad, dame solo una señal, dame un poco de fe, dame tu primer beso, dame todo lo que tengas, dame una oportunidad,
Damn, how long is the song? Okay.
You got me talking on the phone all by myself. All by myself. So give me just a little chance. So what's up? So give me just a little time. That much, cause you're my everything, girl, my philosophy. And I'm gonna get you.
Oh, that was that rap moment. I'm over these damn commercials. I don't care. That was a little rap moment. Ooh, who's on drum? He's cute. That was cute. So they're slowing it down for the last part, okay? I really like this one. This is very good versus 2006 one. This is very good. Very, very good. Na 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 na.
A pesar de algunos cuentos y la lluvia en el camino, a tu lado sé que está el destino. A pesar del viento fuerte, a pesar de los naufragios, a tu lado sé que estoy a salvo. Tú me vuelves invencible, no conozco lo imposible. Si volteo y te encuentro aquí, siempre a tu lado, a la orilla de algún beso.
Oh, I like this song. I don't think I've ever heard this one. Which one is this? Oh, the beautiful, beautiful harmony right there with the girls. Very good way to close off the show. Very good way. I like this song. I never heard this one. Can someone please let me know what one this is? Did I react this song? It doesn't sound like something I reacted to yet. Oh. I love the band and the live instrumentals. Chris looks so good with a brush cut. Yes. Yes. This is good. This was very good. I like it. I'm here for this one. Yes, I am. I'm here for this one. go with the harmony in the end. Okay. So, as you guys can see, that was RBD Walmart soundtrack 2007. I really do enjoy this. This was so much better than 2006. 2006 was also amazing, but this was like, oh, they outdid themselves in this one. Very good job. Love it, love it, loved it so much. I love the chemistry on the stage within the cast members and the band members. I always talk about the live instrumental, the live band. I love it. This was very good. That last song, I'm not really sure of that song. If anyone could give me a title to the link in the comment section, I'll get used to it. I would greatly appreciate it. For everybody else, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Give me some recommendation to react to this. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who could do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.